Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The next Realme phone has landed in Malaysia. The new Realme GT3 is set to set the Malaysian mobile scene on fire, with its flagship level features and affordable pricing for its performance. At the Malaysian launch event, Realme shared that the phone will be priced at only Rm2,799 for the 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage model. Realme GT3 Malaysia specifications. The Realme GT3 is the brand's 2023 flagship, running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and the aforementioned 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The processor is not the latest and greatest, but no other brands have the combination of performance and storage at that price here in Malaysia currently. Along with the processor, consumers can expect a 6.74-inch 144Hz Ultra AMOLED display, with a resolution of 2772 by 1240 pixels. It has a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a 5000:1 contrast ratio, a peak brightness of 1/400 nits and full coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Powering everything is a 4600 mAh battery, which can be recharged by the included 240W SuperVOOC GAN charger that should be able to fill up the tank to full in less than 10 minutes. Realme advertises that the charger can deliver 50% in just 4 minutes. This is also the first phone that supports 240W USB-C charging here in Malaysia. For imaging, consumers will get a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary camera, an 8MP wide-angle camera and a 2MP macro camera for photos and videos. The selfie jobs are handled by a 16MP sensor from Samsung. The Realme GT3 supports 5G thanks to the Snapdragon chipset and comes with Bluetooth 5.3, AC Wi-Fi and stereo speakers. There are also 2 nano SIM slots for dual lines when you need them. Plus, there is a built-in infrared transmitter when you want to turn the phone into a remote control for your home devices. There is also a unique pulse design halo ring on the back of the phone to make the phone stand out in the crowd. That's it for today. See you in the next video.